The cyclic checkbox makes your curve connect to itself, creating a closed loop. The main structure of this node setup is based on a Bezier curve. You can therefore copy the modifier from the asset item to your modified curve. The tilt value twists the main shape of the thorn strand. Please note, however, that setting this value too high will cause the strand to deform, as it exceeds the computational limits of the entire node setup. The roughness panel provides additional options to adjust the roughness of each thorn strand. Single thorn refines the form of the thorn strand. Surface refines the surface roughness of the thorn. You can increase all of these values simultaneously with the noises value for roughness control. This panel is intended for users who require precise and detailed control. Otherwise, you can simply leave the default values and skip this panel. Please note the tapered ends of the thorn strands. You can adjust the surface socket's value to 0 within the roughness panel to get a different styling option. The roughness around tips panel is similar to the roughness panel, allowing you to refine the surface roughness of the thorn strand body near the tips. This panel is for users who require a high level of detail. Otherwise, you can skip it and use the default values. The material panel allows you to select separate materials for the thorn and tips. In addition, the name attribute panel provides a solution for advanced users who need more control over material creation in the shading tab. Note: this feature only works when you are using tip style B.